weather is gonna be really great in the next weekend. And it's not gonna be freezing anymore, so no below freezing temperatures from now on, hopefully.
Yes.
It's just barely on the plus side during the nighttime also.
So look the forecast. I can't believe it's that warm.
That means that
We can split and we can use our own tank.
And plumbings. Our grey water tank that we put these dishwashing tablets, 6 of them there.
And then we pour hot water in our grey water tank so it will have a nice cleanup there.
Yeah. So that way the grey water is ready for summer adventures.
And our dog started barking.
And we have to put the window shut. All these caravans around us, during the winter time, they are here just for the storage. So nothing else. And now when the spring comes, people come here to get their caravans and enjoying the spring also.
And do you know what this is? This is part of our water pump.
So we can use the grey water and also the water system, so we don't have to use the bucket water anymore.
We have a 110 liter tank in this car and we use the fresh water for drinking.
And it helps a lot during our day-to-day activities. We don't have to carry the water almost every day.
Yeah, we can just open the water tap and get a drinking water glass from there, and we can do the dishes and we can start using our shower and we can flush our toilet with that water.
Puratank, it's a really good substance for cleaning up the water tank. So usually they use that on boats and their water tanks, and it gets rid of everything, bacteria and everything. 30 liters of water, Puratank, I think maybe third of that bottle, and then 24 hours leave it there to the plumbings and it's clean. Then flush it and that's it. So tomorrow we have the full water tank for us waiting here when we get from work.
Yeah,
Pretty
that's
nice.
that's a sign of spring. But let's start putting the pump on, please. Let's hope it's not broken.
Yeah, last winter our water pump got freezed up because we left the one-way valve to the pipe and there was still water on the pump. Now we actually unplugged it and I blowed it dry before the winter, so there's no water inside the pump. Here's our water tank.
This is not just fun and games.
Yes. Moment of truth. Come on, come on. Usually this takes a little time. Shit.
Oops. We have to do some problem solving thingies. Let's cut to the result.
Yeah.
Tää pyöhitä ihan nätisti.
So, it was just the one-way valve that I installed wrong way. I had it uninstalled for the whole winter and now I put it back and I put it wrong way.
It was a bit scary.
We have to fill the tank a little more and then put the Puratank on and then it's that. All the pump and everything works.
Yay!
Yay! So now the
Tour starts.
tour starts of our camping area. We got the stealth Hiase over there. Nobody knows that somebody's inside because they have just one gourd going inside. Oh yeah, we put the tank cleaner now inside. We're gonna drive around the camping area to get it splashy everywhere, so we get the detergent everywhere to do its job. And then just run it through the pipes and let it sit for 4 hours was on the manual, but we have to train it in the morning time. So 18 hours.
That's our sketch.
Yeah. Also you can see the little bit of tour of our area. Trash bins, the grey water emptying place, dumping station. Other green bus, they have actually been here whole winter with us. Actually 2 winters now.
Yeah.
And they have wood stove inside because there's a pipe.
And pumps.
Yeah. Area is pretty big. There's lots of caravans and motorhomes, but just few of them are housed. Yeah.
Grilling's place. And service houses.
So this has been our service house just for us. Nobody else using it during the winter time.
And they are super clean.
Yes.
This is kind of old camping ground, but they keep it so clean. They clean it every day. Everything is spotless.
Yeah, and they are actually 5-star camping ground, but I don't know how they get those 5 stars.
This isn't a resort.
This is not a resort. I would say if you have a 5-star camping ground, then it would need to be a resort.
Yeah.
So pools and
saunas.
Yeah.
Actually, there is saunas. 5 saunas.
5 saunas.
But it's because it's Finland. So.
Yes, and right from here.
I know. This is our home alley.
Home alley. The
cheese spot.
Yes.
Can you find the cheese spot? Whoa.
Our cheese spot is quite deep.
Yeah.
This has been our neighbors. So dead left on the right, nobody's there, and the Gabbe Royale on the left, and no, there's also nobody. So we have been here all alone, and this is our pitch.
And this pitch is going to park our car in this pitch. Yeah. So let's start boiling our water and dissolve some dishwashing tablets in our gray tank.
And
let them sit in this night, and tomorrow rinse it.
Yeah.
Tide Pod time. So we are using the cheapest brand that we could find, and just add few these Tide Pods to our sink, to the drain, and we already boiled some water, so we are going to just pour it, and eventually it will dissolve. Now the red spot is on the loose. This is something we also do in summertime when our gray tank gets stinky, because this is really great odor neutralizer. And you can play with the water like this. It's kind of hard to put it back. Yes. So.
And dogs love the springtime also. They can see outside. Bulla, what do you think about spring? Is spring great? Yeah, yes it is. Let's continue with the job.
Job needs to be done.
Yes, this will dissolve into the gravel tank, and it will be nicely
nice and clean.
flushed.